This guide will quickly help you set up your Silent Beacon Enterprise Safety application. Step 1. Download the app. Go to your smartphone's App Store and download Silent Beacon for Business, the one with the green icon. Once you've downloaded it, click Login. Step 2. Login. Review the terms of service, then enter your phone number to log into the account. Step 3. Retrieve the code. A 6-digit code will be sent via text to your phone. Enter it and press Continue. Step 4. Save a passcode. This is a 4-digit passcode that will allow you and only you to be able to turn off an alert mode or log out of your account. It will ask you to enter this code twice. Step 5. Location services. This is the final step into setting up your app. You must select Allow while using app for the enterprise safety solutions to work properly. That's it. Take a look around or watch our next video on how to use the emergency alert modes.